Hello everybody. Today we'll learn how to add a cape to a character. Let's start. Delete everything, and from File menu go to Import and get the character. In my case I have FBX model. Now I'll start to add the cape. Go to Add menu, and from Mesh add a plane. Now we'll adjust the plane position. Hide the armature to be easy to adjust the plane. Select the plane and change the mode to edit mode. Continue adjusting the plane position, shape, and length. Select all, then right-click and select Subdivide many times. Continue adjusting the plane position, shape, and length. Select first 2 or 3 rows of vertices. Go to Object Data Properties, press plus, then Assign. Go to Object Mode, and go to Physics Properties, add Cloth Properties. Go down to Shape, and at Pin Group, select Group. Press play to start the animation. Good. The cape worked well, but far from the character. Go back to the first frame. Unhide the armature. Select the cape and press Shift, then select the armature. Go to poser mode. Select one bone, then press Ctrl and P. Buttons together. From the open menu, select bone. Return to object mode. Select the character body, then select collision. Select the cape, then collision. Go down to self collision and activate it. Change the distance value to 0.004. Press play to start animation. That is all.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.